Hello guys, welcome to K-Tips, your daily dose of Korean beauty tips. Find out how to do every girl things. Apply concealer on under eye, redness, and acne. Korean looks usually only use concealer to achieve the natural look. Use lip tint as eyeshadow and blush. Use pencil eyebrows to fill in your eyebrows. And don't forget to brush them and blend the color. Apply contour to nose and the side of your cheek. Use light pink eyeshadow, light brown eyeshadow, darker brown eyeshadow to the eyelid, and use double eyelid for a bigger eye look. Apply eyeliner and fake eyelashes. Use a darker brown eyeshadow again to blend the upper eyelid and under eye. Don't forget to also apply eyeliner wings. Apply blush again on the cheekbone, and use matte lipstick. Use a darker matte lipstick to make an ombre lip look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.